I'm going to show you how to make this Korean hot dog without frying. Use short grain rice. It is the same to make sushi and gimbap. Wash it 3 times. Soak it for 30 minutes in water. This soaking will give a softer rice after cooking. Drain the rice. Then cook it with 275 grams of water. Cut the sausages to make them about 10 centimeters long. Slightly cut them by making squares. This way, they will keep their shape during cooking. In a frying pan, spread a little vegetable oil. Serve the sausages over low heat for 3 minutes, turning them occasionally. They will have a little grain taste. The rice is cooked. Air it. Put it in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sesame oil to flavor it. Mix. Don't put too much sesame oil. It will prevent the grains of rice from sticking together. Keep it covered so the grains don't dry out. The nori seaweed sheet has a smooth side and a raw side. Put the raw side against the board. Place a slice of cheddar on the edge of the seaweed. Leave 4 centimeters around. Remove the excess. Keep it for ramen soup. Put a sausage on the cheese. Fold both sides of the seaweed slightly obliquely. And round it up. The seaweed will prevent the cheese from too much coming out during grilling. Crush a few grains of rice on the edge to glue and close the roll. To prepare the sauce, in a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of sake for cooking, half tablespoon of rice syrup, and half teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix. This sauce will help the rice toast while bringing a nice color and a lot of flavor. Put baking paper on the work surface. Take a quarter of the rice. Form a ball by pressing it so that the grains stick well together. Spread the rice by pressing it. Put a roll on it and wrap it. The raw side of the seaweed helps the rice to stick. Cover all the seaweed well, always pressing the grains of rice. Heat the same pan lightly oil over medium-low heat. Put the hot dogs in it. Consider them to have 4 sides. Let them grill for 3 minutes per side. Then turn to low heat, mix the sauce. Apply it with a brush on one side. Immediately turn the hot dog to green this side for 1 minute. Repeat with the other size. Skew the hot dogs, pressing the opposite side with the back of the spoon to hold it together. Bon appétit! The grilled rice with the soy sauce brings a very appetizing, unique flavor. This Korean hot dog is nutritious and low in fat. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.